Welcome to the Viarexin Boosting My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus male enhancement brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about Viarexin Boosting? Blah blah blah, brr brr brr. What is Viarexin Boosting? What are advantages of Viarexin Boosting? What are disadvantages of Viarexin Boosting? Could Viarexin Boosting amp your sex life? How it works. Viarexin Boosting. Viarexin Boosting have any special discount? How to use Viarexin Boosting. Viarexin Boosting free trial available now? What are Viarexin Boosting ingredients? How safe and effective is this product? Viarexin Boosting have any side effects? Viarexin Boosting real customer result. Where to buy Viarexin Boosting? How much cost? Does Viarexin Boosting is scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the Viarexin Boosting? I will clear your all question/confusion about the Viarexin Boosting. Please visit the website. Click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link. Know complete information about your confusion.